What's up, guys? Thanks for watching. Today I am unboxing a new dehumidifier from AC Infinity, the HYDRONE 7, a plant dehumidifier with AI-powered environmental control. Right on top, AC Infinity gives you some reading material, and in the box they include a 12-foot precision sensor probe and a 10-foot UIS cable to connect to your AI controller. And a bag of zip ties to tie down your cables. The HYDRONE 7 has two 6-inch duct adapters, a gravity drain hose, and an 8-foot power cord, integrating it into your grow easily. Overall, I believe the HYDRONE 7 is a quality product. It was easy to install and it works perfectly. Thanks for watching. I'd appreciate it if you'd hit the like button and subscribe and click the bell to stay updated on all my future projects.